and welcome to TVNZ News. Today we have breaking news on a solar anomaly involving the Sun. Our Australian correspondent, Jordan Wilson, has identified the Sun is shining differently. Not much more we know about, but right now, Jordan has identified what she thinks is a blue sun. This is definitely a strange phenomenon, as our Sun isn't supposed to even be a red giant anywhere in the near future, let alone be blue. We suggest all New Zealand residents remain indoors and alert as we attempt to share more about this strange phenomenon, as if the Sun is growing, UV exposure could become easier.
We interrupt our programming to give you an emergency message. New Zealand Civil Defence has issued an emergency alert for our country. The Sun appears to be excreting extra UV due to a recent unexplainable solar anomaly. We will continue to serve New Zealand with more information. If you have received an alert on your phone, you will receive a link if you would like to learn more. This concludes this alert. Regular programming will resume shortly.
Emergency services have urged ABC to broadcast this important message. At 9:57 a.m., Australian Eastern Daylight Time, a solar anomaly has occurred. Officials assume the Sun is extra hot and radiating extra, producing extra ultraviolet rays. Stay tuned as we will continue to serve your local area with news. Until then, officials urge citizens of Australia to remain indoors to avoid exposure.
中华人民共和国应急管理部发布紧急警报，预计将出现异常增强的太阳紫外线辐射，请立即减少户外活动，尽量待在室内。如必须外出工作，请穿戴防护服，避免长时间暴露在紫外线下。请继续关注本频道或收听国家应急广播平台，获取最新信息。